All right. That was my accounting class wooing because they're so excited to walk through general journal transactions.
No, we're not.
Right now. Thank you, student. All right. So we're going to be going through these transactions: paid cash, received cash, sold services, paid cash. They are all on the general journal. So the first one says paid cash for rent, $1,000. Check number 4. It happens on April 12th. So everybody, what do you always do first? The date. Okay? So April 12th. That is our date. Then we have paid cash for rent. So what is the debit? Rent. And what are we calling that? Rent expense.
Oh, why was I starting to do this on my practice?
Cash is how we paid. And the proof of this transaction is C4. That's explosive. Hilarious. So, that is the transaction. Paid cash for rent. We used check number 4. As you can see earlier, we used check 1, and then 2, and then 3, and now we're on 4. So, that is April 12th. Let's take a look at April 13th. Received cash from sales, $2,500. T13, which stands for calculator tape 13. So, what do we always do first? The date. The date is the 13th. We received cash from sales. What is my account being debited, everybody? Cash. And why did we receive cash? From sales. Good. I really like the energy in the room today. Woo! Hey, YouTubers out there, if it sounds like we're a little dull, it's because it's homecoming day and everyone's excited. So don't unfollow. Please don't unfollow or unsubscribe. Sorry. Accounting man is not well versed in technology. 2,500. What? Yeah.
Follow me on Twitter.
Don't listen to him.
You
All right.
should. Please buy t-shirts from Macomb County T-shirts.
Yeah, now we're talking. Accounting Man's is sponsored by Macomb Tees. Visit Macomb Tees on Facebook.com at Macomb Tees at Facebook.com. No, I had one, but no one ever went to it. Yeah. No, a private business, Macomb Tees, is sponsoring me, the teacher.
But you are the owner of that.
What?
How do you sponsor yourself? Makes no sense.
That's what I'm talking about. When was my last post? 2015. Oh, okay. All right. So on the 14th, it says sold services on account to Elro, $510. S1, which stands for sales invoice 1. So sold services on account. First, we do the date. The date is the 14th. The verb was sold, so that means it's sales, and we all know that sales goes up on the credit side. So I can go ahead and throw that in there right now. The debit is what, Lauren? Account receivable to L. Crow. Lauren Rowe, they say. The proof of this transaction was sales invoice number 1, the document that you leave with your client. And the amount was $510. An example of a sales invoice is this. It has what we bought, how many we bought, how much they cost, and how much we owe. This is an invoice. We bought this on account, and they say we want our money in 14 days. The whole amount in 14 days. So, now you all know where Accounting Man lives. At the Armada High School Tiger Den. All right. So that is a sales invoice. The next one, paid cash for electric bill, $140, check number 5. Paid cash for electric bill. We know that expenses are always what, everybody? Debit, good. This happened on the 19th. Electric bill, we're going to call utilities expense. We pay expenses with cash. Proof of the transaction was check number 5, C5. And the amount that we paid was $148. So on the 19th, we paid our utilities expense. On the 20th, the person that owes us money gave us some cash. So we received cash on account, and then we wrote them a receipt. The receipt is titled R2, D2. So on the 20th, we received cash on account. Cash is going to be our debit. Our AC-REC is the credit. The document number was R2, D2. And it was 255 and 255. Yikes. And the last transaction, it says the owner is trying to treat themselves. And on the 21st, the owner pulls money out for personal use. When you run your own business, you're allowed to do that. They pulled out $1,000 and they used check number 6 written to themselves. So on the 21st, they pulled out cash to pay themselves. If they pulled out cash to pay themselves, what is happening to cash? Is it debit or credit? Pulling out cash is the credit. The debit is the owner. What? Drawing. Neato. Yeah. Withdraw, owner drawing, same difference. It was cash. We used check number 6. And it was $1,000. And that, my favorite YouTube subscriber, is 3-3 work together. Ow!
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
That's what I did. Follow his Twitter and Facebook.
And follow me on Twitter.
Follow me on Twitter especially.